Hello, this is Mike Larson with your Monday Mornings with Money Show update for the week of September 11th. There were thrills, there were chills, there were upsets, and there were some dominant performances. And that was just in the stock market last week. Oh, you thought I was talking about NFL week one? Huh, well, we did have some of that too. In any event, it was an eventful week last week. You saw Apple lose almost $200 billion in market capitalization amid concerns that China was going to start cracking down on the company, despite the fact that the company employs hundreds of thousands of Chinese workers. We're going to see the Apple iPhone 15 rolled out this week. So maybe that'll give us a little bit of momentum in that big mega cap name, but definitely something to watch. We're also going to be getting some key data on the economic front. That includes the CPI and PPI later this week. We're going to be getting retail sales and confidence data as well. All of that's going to set the stage as we head into the Fed meeting later this month, really determining whether the Fed's going to hike rates again or stand pat. The strong expectation in the market is that they will stand pat, and I think that's probably what we've seen, from Fed officials hinting that they want to give these past hikes time to work, which also mirrors what you're seeing in other countries. The Reserve Bank of Australia, Bank of Canada, for example, both recently sat tight on interest rates and said they're going to kind of watch and wait to see what happens with the data. Interestingly enough, we do have some action in the dollar that's worth mentioning. The dollar has been on a tear lately, rallying for 8 straight weeks for the first time since 2005. But overnight, we saw China and Japan, central banks in those countries, push back against the move. So the dollar is giving up some ground, and that will be something interesting to watch as we head later into the week. Again, depending on the economic data, it would be noteworthy. If the dollar did fall, that would likely be bullish for commodities, things like gold, oil, silver as well, and could be bullish for stocks. So watch the dollar, watch Apple, and I hope you have a great trading week.